everyone, welcome to a new video of Horilla. Today, let's discuss about the My Attendances in the attendance module of Horilla. So, the My Attendance is a self-service feature designed to empower employees by providing a detailed view of their attendance data. So, this section plays a crucial role in fostering transparency and improving attendance management. So, the employees can check their daily, weekly, or monthly attendance logs, including their check-in and check-out times. It provides a clear summary of the total hours worked, overtimes, and all. So let's see the My Attendances. So this is the dashboard of Horilla, and from here let's navigate to the attendance module, under which we have the My Attendances. So here, this is the employee portal of employee Adam Lewis. So in the My Attendances section, he'll be able to view all the attendances for him over here. So we have the validated attendance, not validated attendance, requested attendance, and approved attendance. So the color over here indicates the status of the attendance. So we can see that the green color indicates the validated attendance. So we have different attendance having green color. So these are the validated attendance, and then we have the not validated attendance in red color. Then we have orange for requested and blue for the approved request. So here we can view the date at which the attendance was made. So this is the date and we have the day. And then there is the check-in time and day. Then we have check-out time and day, shift at which he was working. And then we have the work type over here. And then we have the details like the minimum hours, at work hours, and then we have the pending hour and overtime. So we will be able to add or remove the columns in this view by clicking over here. So we have different rows over here, like the each row indicates the columns over here. So we have the day, check-in, in date, check-out date, out date, and all. So if you want to remove any column from here, we simply have to uncheck this box over here. So here we have the shift. So if you want to remove the shift, we can uncheck this box, and the shift will be removed. So like that, we can unselect all rows. So all the columns are removed from the view. And if we want to add all the columns back, we can select all rows and all the columns will be added back. And upon clicking on one of the attendance, we'll get more details about that. Like we have the employee name, then we can view the job position, the department in which the employee is working, then we have the date, check-in time, date, check-out time and date, shift, work type and all. So all these can be viewed, and we can also view the number of activities over here. So we have 12 activities and we'll be able to view the activities also. So these are the different attendance activities for that day. So this is the attendance date, and on that date we have different activities. So these are each activities that was made. So when an employee checks in and out, it counts as one activity. So like that, we have multiple activities for that date. And then we have the filter option. That is, if you want to filter out any particular dates, attendance and all, we'll be able to do that. So we can add the attendance date, and that attendance will be filtered out. And we have the minimum hour, in time, out time, validated, overtime approved, requested, and all. So if we want to filter out all the validated attendance, we can select yes for this validated and filter. Then we'll be able to filter out and view all the attendances that are validated. So these are the validated attendance. So like that, we can make use of this filter option. And we also have the advanced features by which we can filter, like the attendance from, attendance till. So we can give a from and till date, and all the attendances in that date range will be filtered out. Like that, we can also add the in from, in till, out from, out till, at work greater or equal, at work less than or equal, overtime greater or equal, overtime less than or equal. So we'll be able to filter out the attendance based on all these details. So this is the My Attendances in the attendance module of Horilla. So that's all for this video, and thank you for watching.